In this video, you will hear from the collective consciousness of the Pleiadian star mothers with their latest energetic transmission. It was received by Oribel Joy Divine. Please take only that which resonates with you, and leave the rest. Enjoy. Start of transmission.
Greetings, my children. Be open to receive all that you deserve. It's time to receive your just rewards. You, the light workers who have worked energetically for so long in raising the frequency and consciousness of humanity, are to be commended for a job well done. You have consciously worked on yourselves, and will continue to work on yourselves, and clearing and raising your consciousness. You've discovered that receiving your inner guidance and acting upon them have led you to where you are now. Savor this moment. We celebrate you for the courage, patience, and wisdom you have shown. We ask that you continue with this momentum. Trust and have faith in your abilities, and in the support you are receiving from your support team and the beings from higher realms. You have very powerful spiritual allies. Victory is yours. Continue on your path of light. Continue with your love work, which is your light work. Continue shining your light and love in ways that create joy for everyone. The energy of joy will help elevate the planet's frequency to a higher level. Focus your energy on unconditional joy. Be joyful because it exudes from inside you, the natural state of your natural self, your divine self. Be your divine self. Give intent for this every day. Let your own divinity guide you in all ways, in all situations. Your soul expressions come from your divine self. We love you dearly, and wish you much joy as you continue on your path of light. We are your Pleiadian mothers. We bid you farewell for now.
End of transmission. The transcription for this transmission is found in the link below. Thank you for watching.